Welcome back. If you're in an accident, it's not your fault. You want to recover any money that's entitled to you under the law, but how do you maximize the amount you get?
Casey Haggerty sat down with attorney Jim Higgins from the Higgins Firm to find out.
We're with attorney Jim Higgins at the Higgins Firm, and we're talking about how to maximize your personal injury settlement. So, Jim, just walk us through the steps on how we can get as much as we're legally entitled to.
Sure. Well, you know, it's no big secrets, really. I don't say anything earth-shattering in this, but we always give our clients certain tips. Like any legal case, you want to make sure your evidence is documented, and it's not hard to do now. The first thing you want to do, if you can, is if you're in an accident, get your phone out. Take a picture of your car, take a picture of their car. If there's any witnesses there, get their name. Once they're gone, they're gone. You can do a video of the scene, and once you've got all that, you've got it. If you have any visible injuries, do that same thing. It's so easy to tell a judge or a jury, look at this picture, this is what my leg looked like after this happened, instead of trying to explain it.
Right. And it's so easy to document these days with our iPhones.
Absolutely.
Just do it.
Years ago, we would send professional photographers to meet with people and redo scenes, and now the pictures I get on people's phones are just as good. Go to the doctor. You go to the doctor, number one, because you want to get healthy, you want to get back to work, you want to take care of your family. But from a legal standpoint, really, what it does for me, it helps me in the case, is it documents what you went through. It's like a little diary, when you came in, what the problems were. And if you don't go, I have so many people that will say, well, I thought I'd get better. 3-4 months pass, and they end up going in, and the doctor says, oh, this is something more than you thought, you're going to have surgery, and then have to fight with the insurance company, because they always say, well, if it was so bad, why didn't you go? So just go in and get checked out.
Right, and really those are simple tips, but they make such a difference from a legal point of view, right?
Yes, totally.
Yeah. So when should someone contact your office, and how much would it cost them to have you on their side?
It's zero. I mean, out of pocket, it's zero. We don't get paid unless we recover you. We don't charge a penny. We forward all costs. We get paid out of the settlement if we get it. And so there's no reason why you shouldn't have us in there. And we kind of have that same unified goal that the more I get from my clients, the more that we get. So we're together in this. And they might as well call early. You know, even if they don't need us, not everybody that's in an accident needs a lawyer. Not everyone needs a law firm like ours. We do a lot of what I would call serious injury cases, but we can always point them in the right direction.
All right, you guys make it easy. Jim, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Give the Higgins Firm a call, 1-800-705-2121.
Or you can go to their website, that's thehigginsfirm.com.